In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Benzinga Pro Analyst Ratings. This tool is designed to help you quickly understand what Wall Street analysts are saying about individual stocks and how sentiment is shifting throughout the day. It's especially useful if you want to spot fresh catalysts, gauge potential momentum, or simply stay informed about coverage changes that could impact price action. Once you're inside Benzinga Pro, go to Calendar, then select Analyst Ratings. That's where you'll find a continuously updating stream of analyst actions, organized by time and date, so you can see what's new at a glance. Think of it as your real-time pulse on upgrades, downgrades, initiations of coverage, reiterations, and price target changes. On this page, you'll typically see the stock ticker and company name, the research firm, the action taken, the rating stated, and the price target if one is provided. Different firms use slightly different wording, but common rating scales map broadly to buy, hold, and sell. For instance, you might see terms like outperform, overweight, market perform, equal weight, underperform, or neutral. The action column tells you whether the analyst upgraded or downgraded the rating, initiated coverage for the first time, or simply reiterated an existing view. When a price target is included, pay attention to whether it's being raised or lowered and by how much, because the magnitude of a change can be just as meaningful as the direction. As you review the flow, context is key. An upgrade on a widely followed stock from a well-known firm can attract more attention than a small cap note from a less prominent shop. Moves announced in the pre-market or right after earnings can also carry different weight than midday updates. Remember that analysts often publish detailed reports behind these actions. The calendar distills those calls into the essential headline you can act on or research further. Use the ratings calendar to complement your broader process. It can help you build a watch list for the session, refine your conviction on names you already follow, or spot shifts in consensus. At the same time, treat every rating as one informed opinion, not a certainty. Cross-check with fundamentals, price action, and your risk management rules before making decisions. To recap, inside Benzinga Pro, go to Calendar and open Analyst Ratings to see the latest upgrades, downgrades, initiations, reiterations, and price target changes in a clean, time-ordered view. With a little practice, reading this feed becomes a fast, reliable way to stay ahead of market-moving commentary and make more informed trading and investing choices.